Please don't hit me. I have valuables that I can offer you.
Oh, where are you heading?
Wherever you want to go.
Wherever I want to go, huh? Where were you? I don't want to take you where you've already been.
In the dispatch house. Oh, can't trust you, I guess.
Oh! Oh! He died. He had shit on him. Let's just go around. Let's go down. Let me get his bag.
I've never seen that before.
Stop right here.
Corey, go chop that animal up over there.
Dude, what the fuck? It's bad luck to see anything like that.